Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a shared playlist on Spotify. It's super easy, so let's jump in. Now I'm opening the app and I'm just going to click your library at the bottom. Next at the top you're going to click the plus to create a new playlist. And I'm just going to name this Friends and then hit create. Now I've created this playlist and I can add songs to it. I'm just going to add some of these suggested episodes. So to invite a friend, all you have to do is tap the little person with the plus icon and it says invite collaborators. The link expires in 7 days and all you have to choose is one of these various options to send it. So you can just copy the link or choose messages or any type of social media that you have. And as long as they have a Spotify account, they'll just open it in their account and they'll be added as a collaborator to your playlist. So from here, you'll be able to see songs that you have created and added onto this playlist, and also songs that your friends have added to this playlist. So you'll be able to collaborate, or a bunch of you can collaborate to create an amazing playlist. Thanks for your time today, and don't forget to like and subscribe.